Okay, problem of arc length and sector area, and what we have here is we have a sector area given, an angle 1.5 radians, that's this angle here, 1.5, and 1.5 radians, 1 radian is approximately 60, so this is not 90 degrees, but it's not far off, and our sector area formula when we're working in radians is given by half r squared theta. And so sector area 15 equals a half r squared and theta, the angle, 1.5. This gives us r squared. 2 times 15 divided by 1.5 is 20, and r equals the square root of 20. 20 is 4 times 5, and so if we square root that, we can square root the 4, leave the 5, and we have r is 2 root 5, as we wanted. The perimeter. Moving on to the perimeter, this arc length is going to be given by r theta. Once again, a radian formula. These formulas work in radians, no degrees going on here. And we have our 2 root 5, and theta is 1.5. And so we have our arc length 3 root 5, and perimeter, not forgetting, needs to include the straight bits, that's to say 2 lots of r, this bit, and oops, there we go, a bit shaky, and 2 lots of r, which is 4 lots of root 5, and so we have a perimeter of 7 lots of root 5. That's our perimeter, using our arc length and sector area formulas, no problem there. And finally, the segment r. For the segment r, what we will do here is take the sector, which we know to be 15, and we're going to subtract the area of the triangle. Now, the best way to work out the area of a triangle is a formula, a half AB sine of the angle included. So a half of AB, in this case r times r, sine of the angle between, and that will give us the area of the triangle. And once we subtract that from the sector, we will get the bit on the top that we're after. So our area of triangle is a half r squared, which is 2 root 5, squared sine of 1.5, and tidy that up, and this will give us half of 4, 2 times 5, which is 10, sine 1.5. So we have our r to be the sector minus the triangle, and going to my calculator, we find my calculator, I will want 15 minus 10. Make sure in radians for this. If we're in radian, not in radian, it's going to go wrong. 10 multiplied by the sine of 1.5. Close my bracket, and that will equal 5.03, 5.025. You go back. 5.025. And there we go, we have finished.